Welcome back to Sports Prophecy TV, guys. And today we're going to discuss Leon Bailey. Is Leon Bailey overrated? Leon Bailey still haven't come up with that big performance for Jamaica. I think a lot of fans are still going off those performances Leon Bailey had at Bayern Leverkusen in Germany. As you know, Leon Bailey has been in the EPL for 2 seasons, and it's now rumored that Leon Bailey is up for sale at Aston Villa. Was that affecting the player last night? Leon Bailey was nowhere to be seen in that game. He was struggling. He couldn't get on the ball. My theory on Leon Bailey is Leon Bailey to me is just a good winger. He is not above the rest. I think Leon Bailey has been overhyped by his manager, and they basically sold him to the public as a new generation winger. If you evaluate Leon Bailey's game, he's still trying to figure out his game. And I'm thinking that he should have already done that. He's no longer taking on players and doing the simple things correctly. Leon Bailey tends to overcomplicate things when he plays for Jamaica. Hence, my theory is that Leon Bailey is highly overrated. For me, Leon Bailey is just a pro player, another winger. As you know, wingers come and go. Leon Bailey hasn't owned his spot yet in the Jamaican team. He is there as a marquee player, but he hasn't given the Jamaican fans a marquee performance. So that's my take on Leon Bailey. I think he's highly overrated. I'm Jay Taylor. Until next time.